Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. I am swapping chips from a Commodore 128 into a working Commodore 128. At least that is the plan. And I've done everything, all the video stuff, and and all the chips on the right side of the board. So I'm now going for the other 6526 chip, which is over at the far side of the board. So I'm checking the pins, checking the witness mark. Turn it on. That's a good sign. All right. So we'll go to the 40 column mode. Press the reset switch. Up it comes. I'll press go 64. And yes. And we're okay. We are. So, alrighty. Well, we'll take the 6526 chip out. Put it over here. Take this one. Double check everything. Put it back in. Turn it on. Up it comes. All right, so get this one back. We will replace this. Good. Now, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Well, I guess we'll try U35. Why? No reason. No reason at all why it would be this one more than anything else. No reason. Let's see what we get. And we get nothing, but we've had such things, especially, it seems, when stuff is happening on the keyboard here. So we'll press the reset. Yep, could be something on the keyboard, pushing it down. We'll go to 80. Switch over here. We're fine. We're fine, just fine. Okay. Pop out this chip. Set it over here. Put it back in to its socket in the correct configuration. And we'll go for the one underneath of it, U34. All right. I'll put this down. Oh, one thing I noticed. I did not put U35 back in. I should do that. Okay. U35 is in. All right, hang on. That same weird stuff again. Or is it? Which mode am I in? Now this is weird. Oh, now I heard that. And now it's probably going to work. Yep, there's something else. Something else with this machine. I don't know what it is. All right, so very strange, very, very strange. Okay, I'll take that out. Put this in. Checking the witness mark. We're in. I heard that noise. I heard that noise. We should be in the 80 column mode. And we are. So 40. We are. And we'll say go 64. And we'll say yes. Okay. So I'll pop out U34. Get U34. We're still up. We're still happy. Place U34. Grab U33. Set it here. Set this down. Turn this off. Grab U33. Take a fresh, well, not a fresh U33, but another U33. Put it in the socket. Get it all happy. Turn it on. Oh yeah. Go 64. Yes. 4080. Pop the switch. Okay. So that going okay. So let's take out U33. Set it over here. Set it over here. Turn this on. All right. Now the other thing that we're doing here is, of course, we're reseating all the chips. And who knows? There could have been. Oh, that's backwards. Careful. There could have been some micro corrosion. There could have been. But you never know, you know. Oh, no, no. And, you know what, there's so many other things. Maybe this is one of those things where I need to send some things to Rudy. With his, oh, no. It's over here, don't get foolish, don't get, okay, that chip goes here. Rudy has the logic analyzer. Alright, so now we're on U32. Checking the witness mark. A little bit of a tweak on the pin. Don't make it worse. Double check. Turn it on. And we're up. And we're happy. 40 column. Switch over. Go 64. Yes. All right. So, this is peculiar. Peculiar. Because we have swapped all the chips. But we have not found anything definitively bad. There's, I suppose, one thing I could do, which makes no difference. You see, the SID chip is not needed. But certainly, this board doesn't have one. So, I'm going to steal the SID chip. I'm going to put it into here. And then I will try one thing. So I've got everything in. They're all the right way. They're all in the right positions. And I will now unplug the power. Plug the power in. The power switch is off. See, basically, now all the chips have been reseated. And you never know. That will make a difference. And so far, it does not. Doing exactly the same thing as what it was doing before. Okay, which would tend, I'm going to put the 80 column thing in here too. Which would tend to make me think that it's something else. And that's too bad. Because that's the joy of having things in sockets. Oh, my word. Wow, okay, you know what? That makes sense. See, sometimes things get hot pretty fast. And that's an indication that they are bad. So the 8502, woo, is hot. And that certainly would mean that could be the trouble. Well, all right. I think I'm going to leave this as it sits. I'm going to turn it off. I've got to go downstairs. And see what's what. So that is interesting. Anyway, thanks for coming. We will continue to explore the next time we meet here, back in the TV room, where I'm your host, David Bradley. Bye for now.